Hi! In front of me is HONOR X7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security section. After that, just tap on App Lock and choose Enable. Then you need to tap on one of those options, lock screen password or custom PIN. I will go with custom PIN, so I have to click on it and create it. Then repeat it. And answer this security question. If you don't like it, you can always click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, click on the question, choose custom question and create your own. Save it by choosing OK and answer it correctly below. After that, select Finish. Then you need to click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. I will go with Calendar. So now when I go back and try to access Calendar app, as you can see, PIN is now required. If you wish to unlock this app, you need to go into the same app lock settings, enter your PIN, and then tap on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!